Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the Granitestone 20-piece kitchen pots and pans set. A complete kitchen in a box that equips you with everything from an 8.5-inch fry pan to a muffin pan, ensuring you can cook and bake like a pro right out of the box. This remarkable cookware set boasts a long-lasting non-stick surface, generously coated 3 times and reinforced with diamonds, allowing for healthier cooking without the need for oil or butter, and ensuring an effortless cleanup experience. Designed for durability, each piece can withstand metal utensils and even electric beaters, promising years of use without wear and tear. With a solid aluminum composition and spiralized base, this cookware ensures quick and even heat distribution, eliminating dead zones and hot spots for perfectly cooked meals every time. Plus, it's 100% healthy and toxin-free, free from PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium, creating a safe and eco-friendly cooking environment. Compatible with all stovetops except induction, and oven-safe, this set provides versatility in your cooking adventures. Backed by a 10-year limited guarantee, the Granitestone Pro Premier is designed with you in mind, promising years of outstanding performance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.